Our clever cat saw her friend running and had a funny plan.
She ran as fast as she could. The chase had begun.
Gotcha! The little hen couldn't escape.
And the makeover began. Feathers everywhere. She ran to her mother, complaining and crying loudly. Meanwhile, the cat thought, why not try her friend's outfit? But the mother hen had other plans. They were coming for her.
Now it was payback time. The cat got a hilarious...
And in the end, everyone wore each other's clothes and laughed.
What a crazy day in the village. The shed and swap adventure ends with laughter.